Hello beauties, this is Alexia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Crayon case. So first things first, we got the loose leaf makeup wipes. I had to get these for my makeup kit. I didn't have any left and I saw these. I was like, let me go ahead and grab some. We could always use a good makeup wipe in our kits. So next we have Anglola highlighter. So I cannot wait to use this. I saw so many good YouTube videos on it and I am really excited about trying it. We have next the Victorian makeup brush. The hairs on this brush is really soft. I can't wait to see what the brush is like. All right, so now we have the Crayons case eyebrow pomade. This is their dark brown shade. I can always go for a good brow. So I can't wait to see what this product is hitting on. So next we have Crayons case chalk dust setting powder, and let me tell you, I did an unboxing that I did not record. I should have, because I got emotional and everything, but it had their other setting powder that I ordered in it, and oh, let me tell you, that setting powder is gorgeous, nothing less. So next we have the Crayons case rule breaker, one of their lip shades. Let's go ahead and give this a little swatch just to see what it looks like. Ooh, really pigmented. Ooh, it blends out really good. I can't wait to get these on my lips. So finally we have the little eyeshadow palettes that came out, the notebooks. I'm gonna start with the black one and let you guys see each one of them. Last but not least, the 9 a.m. brush. So I'm so excited about these products. I cannot wait to hop into them, especially the notebooks. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe.